We have been hearing about AI taking over the world for years now. And I gotta say, it's starting to feel like that's not just talk. You might have heard about tools like Jasper and Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. They're changing the game for creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve. So today, I want to introduce you to the latest addition to the AI family, an AI that is shaking up the publishing industry by turning any idea into a best-selling book in just 60 seconds. Okay, wait, hold on. You've probably seen those YouTube videos claiming the same thing, only to find yourself disappointed with low-quality books generated by bots. I get it, I've been burned too, but trust me when I tell you that this is different. No bots, just pure AI magic, and guess what? It's already helping people from all walks of life achieve success without even lifting a finger. Imagine waking up to a steady stream of royalty checks hitting your account even while you sleep. It may sound like a pipe dream, but with the power of AI and Kindle Mint, it's becoming a reality for countless individuals just like you. Stay tuned because in the next few minutes, I am going to spill the beans on how this innovative tool is making waves in the publishing industry. So buckle up and get ready to learn how you can join the growing ranks of successful authors making bank while sipping margaritas on the beach. But before we dive in, I've got a question for you. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Do you dream of a life where you're your own boss, setting your own hours and working from wherever you please? If you answered yes, then stick around because I am about to show you a way to achieve that dream without sacrificing your time or sacrificing quality. Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about writing and publishing your own book? It's a great way to share your knowledge, establish yourself as an expert in your field, and even make some extra cash on the side. However, the traditional publishing industry can be a long and arduous process. You'll have to deal with rejection from agents and editors, endless revisions and formatting, and that's just the beginning. But what if there was a faster, easier way to bring your book to life and share it with the world? Enter Kindle Mint. Now before I go any further, let me address the elephant in the room. We've all seen those AI writing tools that claim to make the publishing process a breeze. But let's be honest, they're not all that great. The content is often generic, uninspired, and frankly, a little bit boring. But Kindle Mint is different. It's not just another AI writing tool. It's a revolutionary new way to publish your book in record time, but don't take my word for it. Let me show you how it works. First, choose your topic. Whether you're an expert in cooking, a wizard at marketing, or just have a lot to say about the universe, Kindle Mint can help you turn your ideas into a full-fledged book in no time. Need some inspiration? Just ask the AI for a list of potential topics. You'll be surprised at what it comes up with. Next, watch as the AI researches high-demand keywords, writes original and engaging content, creates a professional cover, and formats the entire book according to KDP guidelines. Finally, with just one more click, your book is live on Amazon KDP, ready for the world to read. That's right, you heard me right, one click. In the age of instant gratification, why wait weeks or even months to see your book in print when you can have it published in a matter of seconds? With Kindle Mint, you can start writing your next book while your first one is already making sales. Talk about productivity, and here's the best part. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned author or a first-timer, Kindle Mint is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. No coding skills, no design experience, and certainly no writing degree required. With its easy-to-use interface and powerful AI technology, you'll be able to publish a professional-looking book that you can be proud of. So what are you waiting for? It's time to ditch the outdated publishing process and embrace the future of book publishing. With Kindle Mint, you'll be able to bring your stories and ideas to life faster than you ever thought possible. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next big thing in literature. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about starting your own book publishing business? Imagine having a steady stream of income coming in from books that you didn't even write. It may sound like a fantasy, But with the rise of AI technology, it's becoming a reality for many entrepreneurs. You see, the traditional publishing industry is a tough nut to crack. Getting your foot in the door and building a loyal readership takes time, effort, and a whole lot of luck. But what if there was a shortcut, a way to bypass the gatekeepers and start publishing books that make money without going through the traditional publishing channels? Meet Kindle Mint, the AI-powered publishing assistant that's making it possible for anyone to start their own book publishing business. With Kindle Mint, you can publish books on Amazon in over 100 different niches, including some of the hottest trends like manifestation, law of attraction, and spirituality. Plus, it's super easy to use. Simply choose your niche, let the AI do the rest, and watch the royalties roll in. But that's not all. Kindle Mint also has a range of other features designed to help you succeed in the publishing industry. Here are just a few of them. Advanced keyword research to help you find the perfect title for your book. A built-in thesaurus to help you find the right words to describe your book. A summary generator to help you write a compelling summary that will hook readers from the first line. Cover design tools to help you create a stunning cover that will make your book stand out from the crowd. Formatting tools to help you format your book for both print and ebook so you can reach the widest possible audience. And with her multi-language support, you can publish in multiple languages with ease. In fact, Kindle Mint is already helping people just like you achieve success in the publishing industry. Take Peter, for example. He's published over 1,500 books with Kindle Mint and made over $4.1 million in the process. Or how about Sean? He's earning over $10,725 every month with low-content books. With Kindle Mint, it's easy to see how they did it. Let's face it, the publishing industry can be a tough nut to crack. But with Kindle Mint, you'll have the tools you need to succeed. Don't just take my word for it, though. Check out the testimonials from satisfied customers just like you. And the best part, there are no monthly fees. You pay once and you're good to go, so what are you waiting for? It's time to take control of your financial future and start publishing books that make money. With Kindle Mint, the sky's the limit, so click the link below and grab Kindle Mint today. Now, before you go, I've got a quick favor to ask. Do you find this video helpful? If so, do me a solid and hit that like button. It really helps us out. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.